Imagine if there was a way to boost your brain power, protect your memory, and keep your mind sharp as you age, all with just one simple addition to your daily routine. It sounds very good, right? What if we told you that science has identified a supplement that does just that? Today, we're exploring the #1 supplement for brain health, plus 2 extra powerful elements to boost your mental health. Welcome to Levitas. The mind is an intricate and powerful part of who we are. It's where our thoughts, emotions, memories, and consciousness reside. Essentially, the mind is the manifestation of our brain's complex network of neurons, electrical impulses, and chemical signals. It's responsible for everything we perceive, think, and feel, shaping our reality and guiding our actions. Without a healthy mind, our ability to learn, adapt, and interact with the world around us would be severely compromised. That's why protecting and nurturing our brain health is so crucial for overall well-being. Maintaining good brain health is vital because it directly affects every aspect of our lives, from our memory and learning to our emotional stability and decision-making. A healthy brain allows us to process information efficiently, stay focused, and manage stress effectively. As we age, our brain naturally undergoes changes, but by taking care of it, we can slow cognitive decline, reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and preserve our mental clarity. In essence, keeping our brain healthy is key to maintaining our independence, quality of life, and overall happiness. Several factors can negatively impact brain health, leading to cognitive decline and an increased risk of mental health disorders. Poor diet, especially one high in processed foods and sugar, can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. A sedentary lifestyle, lack of mental stimulation, and chronic stress also contribute to brain deterioration over time. Additionally, exposure to environmental toxins, such as heavy metals and air pollution, can harm brain function. Other risk factors include sleep deprivation, alcohol consumption, smoking, and even social isolation, all of which can weaken cognitive abilities and mental resilience. What is the #1 supplement for brain health? The #1 supplement for brain health is omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, also known as eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. Omega-3s are essential fats that play a crucial role in brain function and development. DHA, in particular, is a major structural component of the brain, comprising about 40% of the polyunsaturated fats in the brain's gray matter. It's vital for maintaining the fluidity of cell membranes, which is essential for efficient communication between brain cells. Studies have shown that adequate levels of DHA can improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Omega-3s also have potent anti-inflammatory effects, which are critical for protecting the brain from chronic inflammation, a key factor in the development of conditions like Alzheimer's and depression. Additionally, omega-3s help regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which influence mood and emotional well-being. Regular intake of omega-3s has been linked to improved focus, reduced anxiety, and even better sleep quality, making it an indispensable nutrient for anyone looking to optimize their brain health. To boost your omega-3 intake, focus on consuming fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies, which are among the richest sources of EPA and DHA. These fish are packed with high-quality omega-3s that your body can easily absorb and utilize. For those who don't eat fish regularly, plant-based sources like flax seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds offer ALA, known as alpha-linolenic acid, another type of omega-3, although it's less potent than EPA and DHA. If you're looking to supplement, fish oil is one of the most popular options, providing a concentrated dose of EPA and DHA. Alternatively, krill oil is another excellent choice, as it contains phospholipids that enhance the absorption of omega-3s. For vegetarians and vegans, algae oil is a great option, as it's one of the few plant-based sources of DHA. When choosing a supplement, aim for one that provides at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per serving for optimal brain benefits. When selecting an omega-3 supplement, quality is key. Look for supplements that are third-party tested to ensure they're free from contaminants like mercury and PCBs. Check the label for the specific amounts of EPA and DHA, as some products may have more filler oils and less of the beneficial omega-3s. It's also important to choose a supplement that's from wild-caught fish or certified sustainable algae. What are 2 extra powerful supplements to boost mental health? Magnesium. Threonate is a unique form of magnesium that has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier more effectively than other forms of magnesium. This ability makes it particularly beneficial for brain health. Magnesium plays a crucial role in many brain functions, including neurotransmitter release, synaptic plasticity, and energy production. Magnesium threonate, in particular, has been linked to improved cognitive function, enhanced learning and memory, and reduced anxiety and depression. It helps to support the brain's plasticity, which is the ability to adapt and form new connections. This being is vital for learning and memory retention. Additionally, magnesium threonate has been shown to improve sleep quality, which is essential for brain repair and regeneration. Probiotics, often referred to as good bacteria, are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is closely linked to brain health through the gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is a communication network that links the gastrointestinal tract and the brain, influencing everything from mood to cognitive function. An imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to inflammation and the production of harmful compounds that negatively affect brain health. Probiotics help to restore this balance, promoting a healthy gut environment that supports overall mental well-being. Research has shown that certain strains of probiotics, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve cognitive function, and enhance the brain's resilience to stress. By including probiotics in your daily routine, whether through supplements or fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, you can support both your gut and your brain, leading to better mood regulation and cognitive performance. In conclusion, we are all brain lovers, and maintaining optimal brain health is crucial for cognitive function, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. However, various factors, including poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, chronic stress, and environmental toxins, can compromise brain health, leading to cognitive decline and increased mental health risks. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are the #1 supplement for supporting brain function, protecting against inflammation, and enhancing memory and mood. These essential fats can be sourced from fatty fish or high-quality supplements like fish oil or algae oil. Additionally, magnesium threonate and probiotics offer powerful support for mental health, improving cognitive function, sleep quality, and mood regulation by supporting neurotransmitter function and gut-brain communication. Using these supplements on a daily basis can help you to significantly boost brain health and resilience. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.